Hello everybody, it's Larry. Welcome to today's video. This is our first in the intermediate series. Now, I debated putting this one in the expert level, but it's not that it takes a lot of skill, but it's something I don't think very many people know. In fact, I'd almost get you'd have to be an expert to know this. But we're going to go ahead and put it in the intermediate level because I'm trying to divide it out by skills. And this one doesn't take a lot of skill. It's so easy, it could actually go to the beginner level. So whether you're beginner, intermediate, or expert, this video is for you. We're going to show you something that you didn't know, guaranteed. So we're going to search the Ancestry records, and you're like, Larry, we do that all the time. But have you logged out and done it? You probably have not. So we're going to come up here to Larry Jones, and we're going to sign out. That's right, we're signed out. We're going to go to the Ancestry main page. So we've logged out there. Right here where it says sign in, and we're going to enter a URL. Right here, it's www.ancestry.com/search/categories/freeindexacom, not .com, acom. And I'll put the link down in the description below. And we're going to press enter here. Guess what? We have access to millions and millions and millions of free records and free indexes from all over the world provided to you by Ancestry. I don't know if you knew that. I bet not very many people did. So it's in alphabetical order. So you see Alabama, and then as you go through, you're going to see Austria, Australia, and you come down there, California, and then you have Canada. It's from literally all over the world. And I'm going to scroll through here as I talk. And I just want you to see the amount of information that Ancestry has out here for free. Now, I recommend that you go out there pretty soon. We provided some links in the past, and they've been changed. I don't know if they were in parts of the server that weren't used to getting a lot of hits, and as a result of the video, they got a lot of hits, or if it was just part of their modernization of their website. But look at this, Romania, Scotland, South Australia. I mean, and then as you come on down, you know, we got citizenship records. Then we come way down here and we see where it says web. Now the web, this will basically take you to another site, off an Ancestry site, but it still has free information from you in these categories. Like right here, Dublin, Ireland, Wilson's directory, 1820. I'm still scrolling down. These are all free. So, you know, I know a lot of us are like, whoa, Ancestry subscription, can I justify it? Well, go through this first. Here's Oklahoma divorce index, marriage index, pensions, obituaries, and we're not even to the bottom yet. So go through this, take a look at it. And these are the same ones that, you know, you get if you were doing the paid version. You get all these included as well. But to kind of show you the difference, look right here. This is the 1880 census, and you can see it and all the records for free. And right down here we have the 1940 census, and the 1940 census is free. But if you want the 1930 US Census or 20 or 10, those you have to have the paid subscription. So there are a lot of advantages to the paid subscription because there's, well, look at, there's 1880 and 1940, and you got all of them from 1790 and in between that are available on Ancestry. So whatever we have here, the millions we have here, well, they've got billions of records, and this will give you access to a portion of those for free, certainly enough to get you going. And the best thing is it's from all over the world, so everybody can use this. And I bet not many people use this or knew about this. Again, I'll put the link down in the description below. I'll show it once again. It's ancestry.com/search/categories/freeindexacom, not .com, acom, all one word. There we go. Put the link down in the description below. If you have a friend that you think doesn't know about this, share it with them. This is a way to, you know, get more. I mean, we all go to familysearch.org for the, you know, free research. Ancestry has a bunch of free research you can do there if you just know where to look. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell notification. You'll be notified when another video like this comes out. I appreciate you all, and I'll talk to you again soon.